Dermapen HOME is an at-home device that brings microneedling hygienically and safely into your patients' homes. This video will help you familiarize yourself with how Dermapen HOME works, so you can help your patients enhance their in-clinic microneedling results. To get started, it is important that your patients set up a clean space and thoroughly wash their hands and face. Press the power button to check the batteries are charged. Then press again to switch it off. Next, show your patients how to fit the sterile needle cartridge into their Dermapen HOME by removing the needle cartridge from its sterile blister pack. Gently inserting the ball end of the needle cartridge into Dermapen HOME and rotating clockwise until a click is heard. The protective cap must be kept on until the patient is ready for their treatment. Patients can adjust the pen level and speed for different areas of the face. You can teach your patients to do this by pressing the plus or minus buttons beneath the screen to adjust pen levels and pressing the plus or minus buttons on the side to adjust pen speeds. Split the face into 6 areas for a thorough treatment. Before starting the treatment, remind your patients to apply Mesoglide serums to ensure the pen glides smoothly. Demonstrate to your patients how to use Dermapen HOME by moving the pen from top to bottom, side to side, diagonally down in one direction, and diagonally down in the other direction. Remind your patients that they don't need to push the pen into the skin. Prompt your patients to cleanse their face with warm water once the treatment has finished. Let them know that it is completely normal to experience redness and sensitivity after treatment. Immediate care after microneedling includes Hyla Active 3D Sculptured Mask, Vitamin-Rich Repair, Cover Recover. Teach your patients to care for their Dermapen HOME by removing the used cartridge and disposing correctly. They should also clean their pen after each use with a disinfectant wipe or clean damp cloth. Encourage your patients to sync when the app prompts them. This way, they'll get the latest updates. Lastly, remind your patients that in-clinic Dermapen treatments, Dermapen HOME, and DP Dermaceuticals are better together. Using other skin products could lead to granulomas or irritate their skin. Before your patients leave your clinic, remember to give them their personalized prescription too. Grow your clinic with Dermapen World's synergy of solutions. Dermapen HOME from Dermapen World. Order for your clinic today.